Stewart Cascades, also known as Stewart Falls, is one of our favorite hikes here in Utah. It's about 1.5 miles each way. It's challenging enough to be fun, but easy enough for the whole family. It's located up Provo Canyon, a little ways past the Sundance Resort. There's a parking lot at the trailhead, which is near the Timpanogos campground. Due to its popularity, we tend to avoid the weekends and holidays. It's not uncommon to see wildlife in the area. Over the years, we've seen lots of deer, and we've even seen a couple of moose. Make sure to pack enough water for all of your hiking companions, even the furry ones. It is beautiful all year long, but fall is our favorite time to go. The end of September tends to be the peak time for fall colors. The hike itself is gorgeous, but the falls at the end are a great reward. You can even hike up to view the pool of water between the two falls. What is your favorite hike to do in Utah? Tell me down below. Follow me for more outdoor adventures and travel.